Hello everyone! In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to open a Vanguard investment account in the UK. Step 1. Make sure you're eligible. You must be at least 18 years old. You must be a UK resident. Step 2. Choose the right account type. Vanguard offers different accounts based on your goals. Stocks and shares ISA, tax-efficient investing, personal pension, retirement savings, general investment account, no tax shelter. Pick the one that suits your financial goals. Step 3. Gather your information. Have the following ready: your full name and UK address, date of birth, national insurance number, and debit card or bank details. Step 4. Start your application. Go to the Vanguard UK website and begin the online application. Step 5. Fill in personal details. Enter your name, address, DOB, and NI number as requested. Step 6. Choose your investments. You can pick individual Vanguard funds or go with a ready-made portfolio for a simpler choice. Step 7. Set up payment. Use your debit card for a one-time payment or set up regular direct debit payments via your bank. Step 8. Review and submit. Double-check all your details, then click Submit. Step 9. Fund and start investing. Once your account is open, transfer funds and start growing your investments. And that's it. Your Vanguard UK account is ready to go. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.